To help ensure your journey of ascension is as fruitful as can be, we'll first examine a definition of spirituality to better frame our approach going forward and to augment your understanding of why I chose nature as the best pathway towards achieving it.
So let's get started. And there's no place better to start than, well, from the beginning. Let's first explore what spirituality is in hopes of gaining fresh insights towards securing more of it. Of the many definitions available on what spirituality is, I like this one best for its simplicity and eloquence. And it goes like this. In general, spirituality includes a sense of connection to something bigger than ourselves, and it typically involves a search for meaning in life. So let's start by breaking down the definition some to better frame our approach going forward today. To the first half of the equation, connecting to something bigger than ourselves, I have to ask a simple question. Is there anything out there that is larger than nature itself? And the answer is fairly obvious, isn't it? Whatever we call it, the universe, nature, or the cosmos, it is the one thing that truly encompasses all of existence and all of its known scales. There truly isn't anything bigger than nature. Thus, I propose by better understanding and engaging nature, we can develop a connection with something larger than ourselves and thereby grow our spirituality. Now, to the second half of the equation, a search for meaning in life, I again contend nature is the place we should begin our search, because nature's range of considerations extends beyond what is man's limited view of reality. So why do I say this? Well, while we tend to marvel over the gadgets and inventions we've created, in fact, they're only designed about and intended for what is a human-centric need or desire. In this context, the extent of the meaning we can extract is limited to literally what's inside a circle drawn around humanity. It doesn't even begin to scratch the surface of the deeper meanings that lay beyond, such as, why are we here? How did we get here? What's life about? And how should we go about living our lives? Thus, to develop a deeper meaning in life, we need to better understand the character, way, and functioning of the thing that's outside man's range of experience.
Again, nature. Moreover, as we'll discover later in the Harmony Worksheet lecture, because nature's basic disposition is to produce the harmony-like qualities of beauty, balance, and holism in all she creates, nature provides the ideal platform from which more meaning can arise in our lives. After all, what's more consequential than finding our universe gives harmony to all that she brings into being? In summary, I propose that in order to grow one's spirituality, i.e., to connect with larger things and gain a deeper meaning, we need to get closer to and better understand the universe and nature. Let's now review how we'll go about achieving our goals in the coming lectures.